On a cold London morning, a man closed a book and quietly killed magic. Not with fire, not with thunder, but with words so dangerous they would dismantle centuries of belief. In 1661, inside a dim study thick with smoke and suspicion, Robert Boyle committed an act that would end alchemy forever and give birth to modern chemistry. For thousands of years, the world believed matter was alive with secrets. Lead could become gold. Illness could be cured by hidden essences. Nature, if persuaded just right, would whisper her truths. Alchemists guarded recipes like sacred spells, writing in riddles, symbols, and half-truths. Knowledge wasn't tested. It was inherited, believed, protected. Boyle didn't trust that. Picture the room, glass vessels hissing, liquids darkening over heat, strange smells clinging to the air. But unlike the alchemists before him, Boyle wasn't chasing miracles. He was chasing proof. He asked a forbidden question. What if nature doesn't care what we believe? Midway through his experiments, something unsettling emerged. The same materials, handled differently, produced different results. Secrets didn't obey tradition. They obeyed rules, and rules could be tested. This is where the story pivots. In a world still obsessed with mystical elements, earth, air, fire, water, Boyle dared to say they were wrong, radically wrong. He argued that substances were made of tiny particles, interacting mechanically, not spiritually. No hidden souls, no cosmic intentions, just matter, behaving consistently. And then came the true rupture. In his book, The Skeptical Chemist, Boyle did something almost heretical. He declared that chemistry must be experimental, public, repeatable. If an experiment couldn't be tested by others, it wasn't knowledge, it was storytelling. The tension snapped. Alchemy thrived on secrecy. Boyle demanded transparency. Alchemy promised transformation through wisdom. Boyle demanded evidence. In one stroke, chemistry stepped out of the shadows and into the light. But this wasn't just a scientific shift. It was emotional. Boyle himself struggled. He wanted truth, but feared losing wonder. And yet what he discovered was even more astonishing. Reality didn't become smaller when magic faded. It became deeper. The emotional climax is quiet, but seismic. When Boyle defined an element not by myth but by behavior, he gave future generations a new power. Not to believe blindly, but to know. This moment opened the door to atomic theory, medicine, industry, and everything we now call science. Alchemy didn't fail. It evolved. And as the smoke cleared from Boyle's lab, humanity gained something more powerful than gold. We gained understanding. If this story sparked your curiosity, help it travel further. Like the video, share it with someone who loves hidden history, subscribe for more moments that change the world, and leave a comment with the question you'd ask nature if you could.